students, how are you all? Fine, na? Yes. Last time in EVS chapter we have learned that the food is very important for our health. Yes, na? Yes. And what is the rules for eating times? Yes, na? Yes. That is also good habit. Now today we learn the same type of topic, that is a keeping healthy and clean. Okay? Yes. Just we have started in EVS subject, that is a lesson number 6, keeping healthy and clean, page number 200. Hygiene is all the healthy habit we must follow to prevent the spread of the diseases causing the germs. Practice of hygiene, they help us live a healthy life. Hygiene means, what is the hygiene means? The cleanness. What is the meaning of cleanness? If you are not live clean every day, you are getting the problem for face to diseases, different type of diseases. Yes, na? Yes. That is the causing of the germs. Yes, na? Yes. Personal hygiene is keeping the body clean and following clean habits. Personal hygiene is the keeping the body clean and it's getting a good habits. Yes, na? Yes. So first is there, brush your teeth every day. Use a soft brush and a toothpaste. See here, boy, he is brushing his teeth and he used the toothpaste also brush, and that brush is a soft and toothpaste is a good quality. Yes, na? Yes. That is a very important. Regularly you brush your teeth. Bath every day with soap and water. Every day you bath with a soap and water. Wash your hair at least once a week. At least 1 week you wash your hairs. Otherwise you are getting many types of problem in your hair. That is like the dandruff, that is the itching, same like na? Yes. So regularly once a week you wash your hair. Brush or comb your hair every day. Every day you brush your comb. Wash your hands with soap and water before and after eating. Last time also you learned this. Yes, na? Yes. Before eating and after eating you wash your hands. Cover your mouth with your handkerchief when you sneeze or cough. When you sneeze and cough, that time you cover your mouth with handkerchief. Yes, na? Yes. Wear clean clothes. Regularly wash clothes use. Keep your fingernails short and clean. Keep your fingernails short and clean. If you are not keeping the fingernails short and clean, that is sitting under a nails, that germs, and that when you are eating, that time that going to in your stomach. After you are asking to your mother, na, my stomach is paining, mother. So that's why keep your nails small and short. Yes, na? And also clean. Wear shoes or slippers when you are outdoor. When you are in outdoor, you are going to play or where in market, anywhere you are going, that time you use your shoes or slippers. Yes, na? Yes. Something is showing here. What's more? Some foods such as the chocolates are sticky and contain sugar. This food tend to stick to the teeth and gums. Germs feed on the sugar and produce acid. The acid makes the cavities or holes in the teeth. You know cavities, more than you listen this word. Yes, na? Yes. Where in a advertise, TV on advertise. Yes, na? What is the meaning of cavities? The holes inside of the decayed. See, this like. Yes, na? Yes. Brushing your teeth regularly and rinsing your mouth after the eating is the best way to protect your teeth and germs. What happen if whenever sometimes we eat the food as like a chocolate, biscuits, cake, that is sticky and that contain is the sugar. What is the meaning of environment? Environment is all things that are around us that we have see in with our eyes. That is a environment. Environment is made up of all the things that are around us. Home environment is what is around us in our home. Dirty home attract the rats, insects and germs. In our home is dirty, then that is a attack for rats, means mouse, then insects and germs. Rat, insects and germs spread diseases. Their verses also, rat, insects and germs are spread diseases. So we keep our home and house is clean. Yes, na? Yes. Let us see. Simple rules to keep your home environment clean. Do not bring food into the bedrooms. Ants, do not bring food in the bedrooms. Ants, flies and cockroach are the attract to the small food. Do not wear shoes that you wear outdoors inside the house. Don't wear the shoes whatever that you use in outside of the door. Put back your books and toys after using them. You put your toys and books after using them. Throw waste only in a dustbin. We are also doing in our school, na? Yes, same like throw waste only in a dustbin. Flush the toilet after use. This is a very important. Flush the toilet after use. Simple rules that keep your school environment clean. Classrooms, playgrounds, school toilets, libraries, school corridors and staircase are all a part of your school environment. See, what it is a part of the school environment? Classrooms, playgrounds, school toilets, library, school corridors and staircases are all the part of our school environment. So what is our responsibility? See, let us see. Keep the class blackboard clean. Keep the class blackboard clean. Sharpen pencils over the waste bin in a class. When we have sharp the pencil, that waste we have throw in a dustbin. Don't in a classroom. Flush the toilet after use. Whenever you are going to in school's toilet and also in a house, home's toilet, that time flush the toilets. Do not litter the playground, school corridors and the classrooms with the paper and the chocolates wrappers. Then C is a very important. Do not litter the playground, school corridors and classrooms with the paper and chocolate wrappers. Means whenever we have eat the chocolates and paper, chocolates after that is a wrappers and also in the pages and papers, we don't litter in our playground and school corridors. Yes, na? Yes. Do not spill food or water in the classroom or lunch areas. Do not spill the food or water in the classroom or lunch areas. Simple rules to keep your surroundings clean. It's a very our responsibility, very important for our responsibility, keep our surrounding also clean. Road, beaches, parks, buses, trains, post offices and all the public places are a part of the common environment. This belongs to all of us. It is our duty to help maintaining the places clean. How we have this maintaining the places clean? Let us see. Throw garbage only in a dustbin. Do not use the roadside as a toilet. Do not spit in public place. Do not scribble on the public property or damage them in any way. This is our responsibilities. Do you understand now? Yes. Let us see once again what is our responsibility of surrounding clean. Throw garbage only in dustbin. Whatever that is a garbage in our homes also and our surrounding also, that keep in that garbage throw in also only in a dustbin. Do not use the roadside as a toilet. That is a roadside is not for a uses of toilet. Toilet is only use of that in toilet room. Yes, na? Don't spit in a public place. This is a very dirty. Yes, na? Yes. Do not scribble on the public property or damage them in any way. This is all is our responsibilities of surroundings clean. Yes, na? Yes. Do you understand? Yes. Very good. What's more? Plastic bags chalk the drains. So do not use the plastic bags. Animals such as cows become sick when they eat these bags along with the food waste inside it. Say no to the plastic bags. Don't use the plastic bags. Last time we have also learned in English subject lesson. Yes, na? Yes. The plastic bags and also plastics bottles, that is a very harmful for animals. Yes, na? And also around our surroundings. That also that cows, buffaloes and also sea animals, they cannot understand what is the plastic and they are think that is a food of their, so they are try to eat and that why they are getting the more problems. Yes, na? Yes. So we have not used the plastic bags. Yes, na? Yes. It's a very good. Thank you. Do you understand lesson? Yes. Nice.